Your morning news now. Tight security is in place in Washington, D.C. to ensure a peaceful transfer of power when Joe Biden is inaugurated tomorrow. President Trump is expected to spend his last full day in office issuing pardons for various federal offenders. A White House official tells CBS News that as many as 100 people will be granted clemency. On day one of his administration, President-elect Biden plans to unveil a sweeping immigration bill. It would provide an 8-year path to citizenship for an estimated 11 million people living in the U.S. without legal status. It's a massive reversal from the Trump administration's harsh immigration policies, but it does not include stronger border security, which makes passage in Congress in doubt. Wisconsin's top health official is leaving for a job with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Andrea Palm, Secretary Designee of the Wisconsin DHS, has been nominated by Joe Biden for Deputy Secretary of the federal agency. Palm's last day in Wisconsin is Wednesday. Karen Timberlake, who served as DHS Secretary under former Governor Jim Doyle, will serve in Palm's place. A UW-La Crosse graduate could be the next Deputy Secretary of the Department of Education. President-elect Joe Biden has nominated Cindy Martin for the post. Martin, who earned her bachelor's degree from UWL in 1988, currently serves as the superintendent of the San Diego Unified School District.
Well, I'm tracking a clipper system today, and you can see those snow showers with that system already tracking into southeastern Minnesota, and these will quickly kind of translate east-southeast across the region today. Minimal accumulations, maybe a dusting to a half an inch, an isolated inch amount. Not a lot, but enough that we could see some slick travel at times today.
This week marks 1 year since Washington State reported the first COVID-19 case in the U.S. Since then, there have been nearly 24 million reported infections and nearly 400,000 deaths. In addition to the variant first discovered in the UK, there's evidence of yet another new strain in the U.S. Health officials say they are working fast to understand the threat. Minnesota is launching a pilot program to prioritize who gets vaccinated with a limited supply. Governor Tim Walz says there will be 9 community vaccination sites around the state. Those 65 years and older, pre-K through 12 educators and child care workers will be first to get their shots. These sites will be the foundation for mass vaccination clinics in Minnesota communities once the supply increases. Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers toured the latest mass vaccination clinic to open in Wisconsin, located at the University of Wisconsin-Green Bay. It opened Monday in partnership with Previa Health, where police, fire, and EMS workers received their vaccine. Health officials say once the clinic is fully operational, it will be able to administer more than 10,000 doses each week. Residents and staff at Springbrook Village in La Crescent had their opportunity to get the vaccine. About 145 doses of the Moderna vaccine were given yesterday morning at the long-term care facility. Springbrook says it will follow the guidance from the CDC and Minnesota Department of Health as to when visitors can come into the building. Friday is the last chance for community members to use the COVID-19 surge testing site at UW-La Crosse. The site, which opened in November, provided thousands of tests for UWL students and employees, as well as community members. Anyone hoping to get tested at the site should register in advance. People do not need to be experiencing symptoms or be a close contact of someone with COVID-19 to get a test. All students in the school district of West Salem will be going back to in-person learning. Next Monday, 6th through 12th grade students will be in the classrooms full-time. That follows the full-time return of elementary students earlier this month. Efforts are underway to slow the spread of the COVID-19 virus in schools, including social distancing, masking requirements, and a deep cleaning procedure. And the La Crosse County Health Department is hosting a free webinar of the dangers of radon at 4 p.m. this afternoon. It's covering important information about radon, how to test for it, and what to do if you find it in your home. Plus, attendees will receive a coupon for a short-term radon test kit. To sign up, you can visit the La Crosse County Health Department Facebook page and click on the Events tab.
Well, just cloudy skies right now. We had some flurries overnight, so watch out for some isolated slick spots for your morning commute. Then a Clipper system is going to bring more snow showers across the region. You can see they're quickly developing into southeastern Minnesota, and that trend will continue through the day. Temperatures cold to the north, 15 in Eau Claire. Most of us still between about 20 and 24, and these temps will remain steady or gradually fall through the day. Might see some minor snow accumulations, trace to a half an inch, and temperatures tomorrow warmer, but also breezy both tomorrow and Thursday with highs in the lower to middle 30s.
Thanks so much for sharing your morning with us. Have a great Tuesday. We'll see you back here tomorrow morning.